Hey guys, welcome back to another quick little unboxing video. This one is on 3 Like 1 knives. Again, from Temu. Let's start with the left. Cute little baseball bat looking thing. It is aluminum. Pretty nice. My hands are slippery. Hidden inside is this cute little blade. And it is quite sharp. I mean, don't try this at home, kids. Yeah, quite sharp. This is a great little neck knife. Depends on what you want to use it for. You could use it to, if you're out in the wild and you need to, sorry for the excess noise. You could skin with it. The blade's small enough. You can get enough control out of it. It's sharp enough, especially with that nice little point right there. It is aluminum. It's O-ring seal. Excuse me. Not bad manners, just good coffee. Got yours? I got mine. Anywho, comes with a little cheapo ball chain necklace, which is sufficient if you're using it for, a neck chain. Or you can put a key ring on it. It did come with a key ring with it, so you could go with a key ring if you wanted. I think that would be a little too bulky, trying to hang on to a bunch of keys and, be like, trying to go like this. And, yeah. So, but yeah, I do believe this is a decent little knife, relatively cheap. Again, links for all these will be below. So, yeah, sharp enough. The blade's pretty solid. I mean, that's maybe 1.5 mil thick. Yeah, I'm guessing it's a little over 1 mil. But yeah, solid, nice and sharp. You can keep it clean, keep it sealed. And if nothing else, you can beat somebody over the knuckles with it. That's about all that's good for. But it looks cute. And it's a suppress. Maybe I should suppress my language there. Okay, enough of that. Next one is this little Browning knife. I don't know if it's actually from Browning, but it is European legal. It is not a lock blade, though the catch on it is very solid. It takes a lot to get it to close and open. So it's not gonna, if you're holding it, it's not gonna fold on you. This could also be used for skinning. It's also quite the sharp. I'll say this about all the knives we've gotten so far, and I'll get to another one later in another video. But so far, all the knives I've gotten from Temu have been very sharp. For the cost, I've been very impressed with how sharp they are. So that being said, as you can, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I've kind of used this one a little bit just to test it out. Very sharp, very easy to hang on to. It's very easy to choke up on it, so you can skin if you need to. Smaller animals, you're not going to want to try and, well, you could probably do a deer with it, but it might take a while. But yeah, it's got a belt clip on it, so you can actually EDC carry it inside your pocket. It's below the 3-inch legal minimum, or maximum, I should say, for pocketable knives. So this would make a good EDC knife. It's nice and sharp, small. Like I say, it's not a locking blade, but the lockup on it is relatively solid. And it is screwed together, not riveted, so you can tighten this down if need be. Unfortunately, this is not swappable in case you wanted to carry it in a different side of your pockets or something. So that's a downside. If it had been me, I would have fixed it so I put another hole over here. So if I wanted to, I could change the belt clip to the other side. But that being said, this is a solid little knife. Next little knife, also European legal, because it is not a lock blade either. Lockup on this is not as solid as the little Browning, but it's still pretty solid. I mean, you gotta be careful, because this one's relatively sharp. All three of these, the blades have been nice and smooth. They haven't been wavy or jagged. There's no rough edges. When you go like this, you don't feel no burrs or anything, which is nice. This is also got a small clip on it. It's all, like I said, it's European legal because it's not a lock blade. It's below 3 inches, so you can carry this as an EDC inside your pocket. Little plastic scale there. That is screwed on, so if you wanted to take that off, repaint it, or make your own little scale, you could. Be a lot of work though. This has also got screws in it instead of rivets, so if need be, it can be tightened down. Should, you know, start wearing out or something. Good little. The point on this is not as good as either one of these two over here, but it's still a pretty solid point. I wouldn't try doing much fine work with this because it's not conducive to the way you hold it. I don't even know if I'm in the camera. I think I am. But overall, it's a nice solid knife. Be great for opening boxes, mail. You know, it'd be a good EDC knife. It's lightweight too. I mean, it's metal. It's not. You'd think this would be plastic for the cost, but it's metal, both sides. The only plastic is right here on here. Everything else is metal. This has got a metal frame with plastic on the outside, so. Quick 3 little knives. Again, we're not going to go into a lot of detail on the little knives. These are all EDC style, relatively cheap price-wise, but quality, I can't complain. I mean, I could, but would you guys really listen? I didn't think so. So anyway, there you are, on 3 like 1, knives. And let me know down below if you get the reference to on 3 like 1. We'll see if anybody's been some places or not. Anyway, until next time, SOP said, peace.